What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to create your own basic beat using GarageBand and GarageBand loops. Now, GarageBand is a software that comes with basically any Apple product or Mac product. I'm using GarageBand on the MacBook Pro today. Let me know if you want to see videos of me using GarageBand on iPad or iPhone, or just going over the basics of GarageBand to help you create your own music. So just let me know in the comments below, and I'll definitely get to those videos. But for right now, let's get into today's video. So in today's video, we're just going to be going over how to basically use loops in GarageBand and basically how it works. So to get started, I have GarageBand open here. The upper right hand corner, there's a loop that looks like a loop. You click on that, that is the button for loops. And then once you do that, there is, give me one second. Oops. Okay. Sorry about that. So like I said, there's obviously the loop button, and then once you get to the top, this is a real nice feature in GarageBand. It allows you to pick what you're looking for. So it says your instruments first. So there's all kinds of different instruments to select from: organs, drum kits, pianos, synths. And since we're making a beat, the first thing I go to is the synths. So once I do that, you can also click your genre. So I click the basic hip hop / R&B genre for a basic beat. And so you can do this on your own, go around and test it out, click on different beats and stuff, or different synths, listen to the sounds of it and see what you like. And then I ended up going with where's it at? There we go. I went with the Hold Steady synth lead, excuse me. That's just a basic synth. It's only for only 8 beats. And I liked it thus far, so I just ran that through the entire song. And the way you do that is in the top right of where you put your beat, there's like a circle kind of thing, and you just drag that for how many beats you want. And I do that right there, just like that. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is go to your beats. There we go. So under the instrument category, there's a subcategory with the beats, and that just gives you hundreds of different beats that can go with basically anything. And it's a great way to get started when making beats. Instead of having to create them by your own self, you can at least get somewhat of a taste you would like for beats. So I did the same thing here. I clicked beats, hip hop / R&B, click it, and then dragged it over to where the other synth is. And then making this kind of music, you want to change the beats throughout so that it's not so repetitive. So I think I chose about 5 or 6 different beats with the same synth though. So the synth remains the same throughout the entire song, but the beats change, which gives it the different sounds, obviously, and it makes it sound a lot better. Yeah. So I ended up putting up a few more beats, and here's what the final product sounded like. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to make more videos like this, how to do stuff in GarageBand or anything, just let me know in the comments below, and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.